Time to catch a fish. I feel like a doctor. Look into its eyes. Oh no, Simon, what happened? Wake up. Fish. Down, poke it in. Perfection. Mr. Miyagi, I'll get that fly. No vet in the world's bringing that one back. Oh, that is incredible. Time to catch a fish. Hi, welcome to Schueys Barbecue, where you'll learn the tips and tricks to master your grill. Now today, I'm going to be roasting a whole snapper in the Weber Kettle. Now if you do like this video, don't forget, give it the thumbs up and share it with your mates. But the best thing you can do for yourself is hit that subscribe and the bell button. And that way you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. So let's get into it. The amount of times I put on rubber gloves every day and take them off, I feel like a doctor. Now, a few tips on selecting a fresh fish. One, look into its eyes, and they should be bright and not cloudy, unlike mine. The skin should be a little bit firm and should bounce back after you touch it. And the smell, I mean, fish is fish. It's going to have a slight fishy smell, but it shouldn't be overbearing. It should smell from the water that it's come from. So fresh water, it should be a bit fresher. Salt water, it's going to have a bit of a salty look. And then obviously in the gills, they should be pink, wet, not slimy, okay? So anyway, that's what you should look for. Oh no, Simon, what happened? Wake up. Put another rubber glove on. Shut up! So if you are actually buying your fish and not catching it, you may as well get them to prep it. Most shops will do it without charging you an extra cent. So realistically, yeah, you could bring it home and do it yourself. Why bother? Now, in saying that, they're more than likely gonna gut it, scale it, and they'll give it a quick rinse. So you may as well, when you get it home, let's go give it a quick rinse and then just pat it down with some paper towel. Yep. Might need a beer for this. There, fish is rinsed and patted dry. Now we can just make some nice slits through it, probably about 25 mil apart on both sides. This is just going to help our seasoning get in, give a bit more flavour to the fish, and just help in that entire cooking process. Okay, firstly, we need to put the fish into a tray, line it with foil, just makes cleanup easier. Spray some oil on it, fish, down, tray, side, olive oil. So, olive oil all on the outside. It doesn't really need a lot. Bit of olive oil on the inside. Rightio. Remember, using fish to wipe everything down properly. Now, you can put whatever herbs you want into the cavity. I'm going with thyme and rosemary, purely because that's what they had. What next? Garlic, crushed garlic. Get that in there. Spread it around. Some butter. Push it right in there. Our lemon. Move the fish out of the way. I'm not going to bother with it. Whoa, close up. If you don't know what a lemon looks like. A few slices. Slice about half of it and leave the other half to squeeze over the cooked fish. And again, slide, poke it in, get it in there, both sides, done. All right, stay in. All right, now season the outside. I might as well take that glove off. Now, I tend to go a little heavy on my seasoning on fish. So, salt flakes, good pinch. Coarse black pepper, let's call it freshly coarse. Alright, and garlic powder. Turn it over, make sure everything stays inside. Same again. Salt flakes, black pepper, garlic powder. Perfection. Now just put that aside, let's get the barbecue ready. Today I'll be setting up a 57cm Weber kettle for roasting. How I'll do that is I'll put 2 baskets in a Weber and I'll light up a chimney starter full of briquettes and dump them in. Get rid of the glove, put the lid on, make sure all the vents are wide open, and we'll give it, I don't know, about 10 minutes to warm up. So this is as easy as putting the fish in between the 2 charcoal baskets on the cooking rack and putting the lid back on. Keep the vent over the fish's head. So lift the lid, fish in, and put the lid vent over the top. We'll check back on that in about 20 minutes. We're aiming for an internal temp of around 63 degrees Celsius. That should take 20 minutes, but that just depends on the size of the fish. So sit back, grab a drink, relax, chill, whatever. It's doing its thing, it doesn't need you to watch it. I'm cooking at a high indirect heat today of around about 230 degrees Celsius. This fish will not take long at all. We are looking around about a 20 to 30 minute cook time. Or for those of you who like to use my beer timer, you're looking at a 1 beer cook. But as we all know, singles get lonely. So you best make that a couple. The fish is ready. It is time to get it off. Good does that look? So the only thing left to do is squeeze that extra lemon over the top of it. Man, this smells amazing. No vet in the world's bringing that one back. Well, there you have it. Whole fish cooked in the Weber. Now you can use this same method for any hooded barbecue or even in your oven. The only thing left to do is try it. Oh, I love fish. Oh, Look at that. Just, oh. I know I say this a lot, but that should be illegal. That is incredible. As always, thanks for watching. And if you do like free stuff, check out my Instagram for giveaways and extra content. Cheers.